Guys, huwag kayong manahimik. Magtitigan na lang tayo dito. Lowbat yung phone ko. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So crazy. This is so crazy. Lowbat yung phone ko, guys. Pagong, drop ka para 200 na sinami. Oh! Pagong! Sabi ni Ate Pat, mag-drop ka daw. Para 200 na ako. Hello! Reply to the message. Oh! So you're, DM me. I will check that later. Ayan. Paano ba mag-English? Ang bobo ko sa English. Help me to reach 2 star. Baka naman. OG Fun. Hello? When the snow is falling down, Julia's dead son, this one. Thank you, Ate Pat. Everything's come true. Setting by the spot. Sayang kasi ate, hindi tayo makapag-PK. Pat, PK tayo. O, PK na kayo on and off. Afraid ka ba? Just turn around. 'Cause baby, I found you. I don't want to cry. Hello, Kilua. All I want is to hold you forever. You made my owner cry. Baka naman picky tayo. Off, hello, off. Just invite tayo. Fairy tale come true. Ano guys? Wala akong ka-PK. Gusto ko ng PK, tapos ipanalo niyo ako. Wala na siya pera. Indian boy can marry Philippines girl. Oh, Indian boy can marry Philippines girl. Oh, that's nice. So, tawag dito, so you can go there in Philippines. We're in, paano ba? Nabubobo na ako. Mahal ko, hello. Eme lang yun, guys. Hello, Yao. Yo. Oops. Mahal ko o mahal ako? Mahal mo ako? Cosme. Sino ba si Angelito? Thank you, Ate Pa. Thank you for sharing my life. Na all mahal. Sana all mahal. Mahal. Mahal ko. Kilala mo ba siya, Ate Pat? Oh, again, thank you, Ruit Kumar. Oy, konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang talaga. Magtutusar na. Hello, guys. Ano ba? All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. She need 100 ribbons to have 2 star, guys. Oh, help me, guys. Wow, thank you, Sarudol.